This magnetic permeability interactive calculator solves for various magnetic properties used in electromagnetic design and material analysis. The calculator has a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate absolute permeability μ, calculate relative permeability μr, calculate magnetic flux density B, calculate magnetic field strength H, calculate magnetic susceptibility chi-m, and calculate permeance from geometry. For this demonstration, I'll select Calculate Absolute Permeability. The input fields include permeability of free space μ0, which defaults to 1.25663706212 E-6, relative permeability μr, absolute permeability μ, magnetic flux density B, magnetic field strength H, magnetic susceptibility chi-m, cross-sectional area A, and magnetic path length L. After entering your values and clicking Calculate, the Results section displays the calculated absolute permeability along with other relevant magnetic parameters. The calculator also provides a material classification based on the magnetic properties, helping you identify whether your material is diamagnetic, paramagnetic, or ferromagnetic. Any warnings about unusual values or calculation limitations appear below the results to ensure accurate interpretation of your data. This tool streamlines magnetic circuit calculations and material characterization for transformer design, inductor optimization, and electromagnetic shielding applications. Find the link in the description below.